The napping area.
Yeah, the resting area. So.
Oh, wait, what?
You go first.
What? There's a lot more room than I thought. Yo, if you would have told me this, I would have claimed the spot to sleep myself.
Let's sleep on the left side. The person normally on the right side, and all the other beds are taken by the rest of the cabin crew.
Oh, wow.
Actually, quite a nice spot.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah.
The amount of spots where you can actually sleep is also wild. Like this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different sleeping spots. Like that is huge, guys. It is really soft, honestly. Like
It's
yeah,
more
it's
comfy
great.
than the seats actually in the aircraft.
I'm pretty sure it is.